Speech Productivity presents the Dictation Box Translator. This is a special Dictation Box version for the SP 4.2 package and future versions. SP is a set of add-ons for Dragon Professional, featuring the fastest and safest dictation boxes out there, and more. The Dictation Box Translator is mainly aimed at translators, writers and hobbyists who like to quickly and conveniently translate their dictations on Google Translate. Note that this version is only available to current SP users and can be purchased separately for just $10. Below you'll find all familiar buttons to transfer the text, cancel the box, and to quickly back up your dictation to WordPad or Notepad with just one single click. On the right you'll find buttons to quickly send your dictation to 42 different languages on Google Translate. Any text you dictate into this box will be translated on the Google Translate website with one single voice command, period. You have 42 languages to choose from, period. Finish translation. As you can see, your default browser is opened and the translation happens automatically. Now let's try a different language. Malay translation. And there we go. Now let's paste in some prefabricated text so that the dictation is slightly longer and then see how it performs. Copy. Activate Dictation Box. Select all. Press delete. Paste that. French translation. And as you can see, that works just as well and just as fast.